Subject and object pronouns.
Mary and I went to the cinema yesterday. She and I will help you with your homework. After the marathon, Sarah and he invited us to a delicious meal. My brother and I are going to the park. The concert tickets are for you and me only. She and John are coming to the party tonight. We and Jane went shopping together. Please don't disturb him. He is trying to concentrate. We saw them at the park. I can't believe you left them and me behind. She gave me a book as a birthday present. They told them and her about the surprise party. Susan and I are going to the party. She asked him for advice on how to fix this computer. They and Jane went to see the new movie together.
David and I often visit our grandparents.
The teacher asked her to answer the question. He and I are going to the concert. He never told us about his plans. Mary gave her a present.